Before we can add camera controls, we need a thing called EddyGame, which is not quite an editor and it's not quite game state. It's something between. Previously, we made a toggle function that takes an object and it toggles a property within that object. Cycle command does something similar. It takes an object, a property in that object, and it cycles through an array of valid options. This is the logic for it right here. We can zoom out and you can transcribe that if you want, but we don't have enough time to go over the exact logic. In const macros by system, we have organized it a little bit more and stubbed in everything. The only new code is right here, the constants for EddyGame. These are monkey wrench macros. This is the button used to toggle between game controls and editor controls. This is the editor controls constant. This is the game controls constant. You can think of these as enumerations. The mode for EddyGame is going to start out as acting as an editor by default. All of the editor variables will go here. All of the game variables will go here. If there is any shared state, we will duplicate the variables and have them present in both of these structs. This function is going to take the editor game mode and log it to the console. So we can either say that EddyGame is acting as an editor, EddyGame is acting as a game, or it's an unknown mode, an invalid mode. Right here is where we press the toggle key, and if we are pressing that toggle key, we are going to cycle through the valid EddyGame modes, and then we're going to log the mode to get some feedback. This is what we did in the previous tutorial, and these are some notes, and this is what we did in this tutorial. So you might want to pause there because there's some other things we didn't go over. If you want the source code for this snapshot, you can go here. You have been on this playlist. This is video 103. Like and subscribe.